Hi, this is Calvin from Hill Country Building Renovation, HCBR, Texas. Today I'm at a sweat equity home project that we're building. This is on David Crocket in Fisher, and I am up on the roof. This is a very interesting project because it's a single pitch roof, and it's going to be a Arizona type adobe looking house. So I'm on top of the garage roof here, and as you can see below, it is a single pitch garage, and this is going to be kind of like a commercial roof because there are parapet walls all the way around, so the roofing needs to be sealed up against those walls. And then down here at the bottom, it flattens out about 16 inches, and then the water will go through these scupper holes onto the outside, and those will be done with some sheet metal, and then below that will be a gutter that will run to the end of this wall, down, underground, and out the back. So, this is a very uncharacteristic framing. So, on this side, we have dimensional lumber for the roof trusses, for the roof rafters. There's no ridge here. From this point across to the other side of the great room, these are called BCIs or I-joists, and they're a structural floor slash rafter piece. So they span a long distance. That's why we use them, because it's a long way from the front wall here to a beam back there in the back. So this runs all the way across there, and then on the other side you can see that it's dimensional lumber on that side above the bedrooms over there. So the reason why we are doing it in two different styles is because in the bedroom areas there's plenty of walls down below to support the roof. In the great room there's no walls. It's all open space. So it's a clear space all the way across. And then again on the other side, there's walls for the bedrooms and closets and so forth that we can support the roof. So as you can see, same situation here. There's a parapet wall down there at the other end. Same roofing conditions. So we have a very, very experienced roofing company, Bravo Roofing from New Braunfels. They do both commercial and residential roofing, which comes in handy for a project like this. So I'm down on top of the ceiling on this side. A lot of noise going on here. We like noise. That means things are getting done. So you can see that this room in here has a lot of space, and it is really a cool room with the high ceilings. So the air conditioning unit will go above the laundry room here. It will go through this wall, and then over here, as you can see, there is a attic ladder that will come up into the top of the garage, across the ceiling joist, and into the air conditioning unit here. So that's kind of how we designed it. So you can see the support for the rafters. There's a wall in the attic right there on top of the wall down below. So that's kind of how this is happening. So now I'm on ground floor. You can see how this ceiling works in the great room here. And there is a lot of volume in that open space. It feels very Very good. So this is the other side over here with the dimensional lumber on the rafters. And then we have a porch out here. So you can see that these rafters continue. And we have a partial, cover over this porch. So we have some stairs going down here to the ground. I'm just going to run around the outside real quick. This is the back side of the house. So the septic system will be out that direction. So you can see how that's going to work. So you can see that the roof is a lot lower on this end of the house than it is on the other end. So you don't see this kind of a style here in Texas. I've never seen one, but the important thing, it works for our customers. And we did design this house for them. Actually, to tell you the truth, we designed 3 houses before they settled on this one. So in the kind of the adobe style, the front of the garage here has a step down parapet wall. And this is going to be all stucco, of course, in the adobe color. And we've got the house wrap going on now, which will help to dry in the house. Then the roofers will be here in a couple of days when they get the decking, the fascia, soffit, and decking done for the roof. And then they will come and put a synthetic underlayment on the roof to get it dried in, so that when it rains, we won't get any more water inside the house. So this is the kind of thing we do. We do all kinds of interesting projects, and this one is definitely interesting. So you can see our highlights on our website, which is www.hcbrtexas.com. And we have, you can go there and see what our sweat equity program is like. And obviously we do houses, we do steel buildings, we do additions, casitas, detached garages, shops, outbuildings. We build buildings. And so what's your next awesome project, and how can we help you out with that?